Welcome students to a brand new chapter called App Development. We will be taking a peek at how some of the common and popular apps are made and even make one ourselves. So, let's begin. We live in the age of computers and mobile devices. Children who used to enjoy outside games are increasingly interested in various computer apps. There are various types of apps to do various tasks such as shopping, bill payment, chatting, railway or bus ticket booking, hotel booking, etc. An app, which is short for application, can be defined as a type of software that can be installed and run on a computer, tablet, smartphone, or other electronic devices. An app mostly refers to a mobile application. They have become the foundation of the mobile economy. Some apps can be downloaded for free, while others must be purchased from an app store. Mobile applications are also important due to their versatility. There are various types of apps available, including entertainment and news, travel for flights, hotels, gaming for mid-core games or hyper-casual games, social such as the following. There are many software that you can use to create apps. Some popular softwares to create apps are MIT App Inventor, Zoho Creator, Business Apps, Build Fire, and Appy Pie. Using the MIT App Investor online application, a user can construct an Android app. Here, in this chapter, you will learn to create apps using the MIT App Investor, a web-based online tool. MIT App Investor is a free, cloud-based service. It is an easy-to-use visual programming environment. It can be used to create fully working apps for smartphones and tablets. It provides a blocks-based programming interface that makes it easier than a standard programming environment to create intricate, highly effective program faster. You can access App Inventor using a web browser like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, etc. The biggest advantage of using App Inventor is that the MIT App Inventor servers store your work and help you keep track of your projects. Now, let us create our first app by following the steps given below. First, open any web browser and type this URL. Then, click on Create Apps. Now, with the help of your teacher, log into the website using a Gmail account. After signing in, you will get a window showing the terms of service. Click on the option I accept the terms of service. After agreeing to the terms of service, you will get the welcome window on the screen. Click on the Continue button. Now, click on the Start a Blank Project button and type the name of the project in the project name box and click OK. Components of App Inventor window. The App Inventor programming environment has three key parts. First, the component designer. When you create an app with App Inventor, you will use the designer to create the app's screen. The designer is organized into following columns, like palette column. The leftmost column in the designer is known as the palette. The palette provides a list of components that you can use to build your app. A component is an item that performs a specific purpose within an app. For example, an image component displays an image on the screen. A button component appears as a button that the user can touch. A text component sends and receives text messages, and so forth. When you are creating an app, you can select the components that you need from the palette and insert them into the app. Next, the Viewer column. The Viewer column shows a rectangular area that represents the app's screen. You design an app's user interface by dragging components from the palette and dropping them onto the simulated screen in the viewer. Now the components column. This shows a hierarchical tree listing all of the components that you have placed in your app. Each time you drag a component from the palette and drop it onto the viewer, it shows the component in the component column. Next, the media column. This allows you to manage the media files like the images, videos, and audio files that you want to use in your app. Lastly, the properties column. A component's appearance and other characteristics are determined by the component's properties. Second key part is the block editor. It is used to specify how the component will behave, like what happens when a user clicks a button. The blocks editor is where you assemble code blocks that perform actions. A code block, or simply a block, is a shape that looks something like a puzzle piece. App Inventor provides numerous blocks that represent actions and data. The blocks are shaped in such a way that you can snap them together to make a program. A trash can icon appears in the lower right column of the blocks editor. You can delete blocks that you no longer need by dragging them onto the trash can. Third part is an Android device. It helps to actually run and test your apps as you are developing it. If you don't have an Android device handy, you can test the apps you have built by using the Android emulator that comes with the system. To test the app on your Android device, follow these steps. First, download and install the MIT App Inventor companion app on your Android or iOS device. After downloading, step through the instructions to install the companion app on your device. You need to install the MIT App Inventor companion app only once, and then you can leave it on your phone or tablet for whenever you want to use App Inventor. Next, connect both your computer and your device to the Wi-Fi network. Then, open an App Inventor project and connect it to the device. Go to the App Inventor and open a project or create a new one by clicking Project, Start New Project, and give your project a name. Then choose Connect an AI Companion from the top menu in your browser. A QR code will appear on your PC screen. On your device, launch the MIT App Companion app. Then click the Scan QR code button on the companion and scan the code in the App Inventor window. Within a few seconds, you would see the app you are building on your device. Let's begin creating a simple app. Let us create a simple Hello World app. A Hello World app is a simple program that merely displays the words Hello World when a button on the screen is clicked. Follow the given below steps to create a simple app. First, click on the project menu and choose Start New Project. Then, type the project name in the project name text box and click OK. Now, click and hold on the button option in the palette. Drag your mouse over the viewer. Drop the button and a new button will appear on the viewer. Next, in the Properties palette, change the following properties. Select the block's viewer from the top right corner and drag the When button one click to block in the viewer window. And then drag the Set button text to block and place it in the When button click block. Now, create an Android emulator by the following steps. First, click Connect at the top of the screen and then click AI Companion. Second, open Play Store and install MIT AI2 Companion. And using your Android phone that has MIT AI2 Companion installed from Play Store, scan the QR code and press the button to run the program. And that was our chapter, App Development. I hope it was exciting enough for you guys to create your very own first app. See you in the next class. Bye.